gosh.
Okay. Guys, today we're exploding Dr. Pepper. Oh man, I dropped one. So we got my lovely, my favorite, my one and only, Dr. Pepper.
Guys, I got Dr. Pepper too.
Okay. So, should I take my shoes off? Because we need to run. I can't run in these shoes.
I'm not ready to get mine. And I also don't want these to get Dr. Peppered. $130 burger box.
Yeah, my very expensive. Oh, yeah.
It was by my phone.
Oh,
It's fine. I drank most of it.
oh shucks. Oh. Okay.
Wait, give me mine.
Okay, here's two. Hold up. Wait. You're so stupid.
Oh, you think?
What if this doesn't work and I bought Mentos for nothing?
It's fine.
You can just eat them.
3,
2, 1.
Oh,
Doesn't work that good. Put more in.
Frankie. Ooh. We should put them in, put the cap on, and then shook it.
Let me do that. I'm gonna get 3. That might work as good. I want it to like shoot up in the air.
Put it in the bud. Close it. Close it. And shake it. Frankie. Look at my shoes, Frankie. Frankie!
This is so slow. This was such a fail. Tastes good. Cheers! Should I try and explode it in my mouth?
Mm-hmm.
Hold up.
Frankie. It's not gonna work.
That was really funny.
Give me a mental, yo.
Cheers. Hold my Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper's my husband, you guys. I'm with Ava again. You want to do a fit check?
Oh, yeah. Wait, y'all, wash.
Okay, you guys. Nike. Where are these from?
American Eagle.
My jean shorts are from American Eagle, and this bodysuit is from Garage. And then my hair clips, I don't know, I got them for my birthday. And then my shoes are Uggs. Target bag.
Frankie. These
I got it.
are Nike. I don't know. Target. And my Birkenstocks and my necklace. I kind of just got. I got it from my friend. She made it. My friend made it. I don't know where this is from, but it's my Zodiac
You
friend.
guys, Mentos are really good. I
I'm
like the fruit ones better. Use like all of them.
use like 7. This one's mine.
Oh, I suck at the last one. Why are you dumping it out, bro? I'll drink it.
I just wanted to see what happened.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Oh, bye.
Ava, can you end it and send it to me, please?
Yeah. Bye, guys.